Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to create a script for our platform. So select asset, go to script and create a new script, moving platform. Double click and open it. So as you can see, when we start game, our platform start moving in upward direction. That mean in y-axis. Also, this platform has some speed and move with some speed. So for this, what I am going to do, I am initializing a variable vector3 and name it movement, and also public float, name it speed. Another thing, when we start game, our platform start moving in upward direction, in y direction, so movement dot y equal to speed. I am going to create a new method, name void platform movement. What will it do? Transform dot position doesn't equal to movement into time dot delta time. Save it. Now attach this script to all the platform. Select default platform, rotating chain, and this. Search for moving platform script. Set the speed. So as you can see, when I press play, nothing's happen. Sorry, I called this method into platform movement. Okay, now press play. As you can see, our platform start moving in upward direction. But here you can see our platform start moving to infinite state. What we want to do is that when our platform cross these spikes, they are destroyed. So for this, what I am going to do, create an object, game object, name it exit boundary. Exit boundary or dead end. Sorry. Dead end. And just drag it here, just little, and name its color blue, or just red. So go to script, and here I am going to create a game object, name it boundary, and in start, what it will do, that our boundary equal to game object dot game object dot find what dead end. Here which we have dead end. And in platform movement, if what transform dot position dot y greater than equal to what boundary dot transform dot position, what it will do, destroy game object. Here you can see if transform dot position dot here you can see boundary, not boundary, here dead end. Dead end. Sorry, boundary dot y. Perfect. Now save it. Now go to Unity. Now if I press play, here you can see the objects are getting destroyed when they attach the when they cross the dead end. Perfect. Now that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will apply the remaining animations for our player, as when our player start fall on this, what will it do? It will start running, jumping animation. See you in next lecture.